If you're just interested in working on cars, or even if you don't know if you want to work on cars when you're older, it's definitely an interesting experience here at Autotech. Ian Bosk. I'm from Whitesboro High School. I have been in this program, this is my second year. I started last year and I enjoyed it as soon as I started because you get to do hands-on work and you get to have fun and learn all at the same time. We mostly work on customer cars, or we can even work on our own cars. We do a lot of alignments, we do a lot of inspections, we do a lot of work with tires, replacement tires, balancing tires. We do tire alignments, front end alignment. We do suspension work. We do check engine light. We do a lot of electrical work. We do a lot of brakes. We do replacement brakes. We'll even repair brake systems. We bleed the system. We could even repair brake lines. We have actually the most high-tech garage here in Oneida County. You know, we have a lot of high-tech equipment. We have a really nice alignment machine. We have a lot of electrical equipment for check engine lights and just electrical systems in vehicles in general. We have a lot of the high-tech equipment and computers to work on all that kind of stuff. For this class, you don't have to want to go into automotive when you're older. You don't have to be a mechanic. You can just come here and learn whatever you want and then use that when you grow up. I would encourage everyone who's interested in cars to at least check it out, read into it, and check out our website. And if you're interested in learning more, definitely talk to your guidance counselor about it.